Hi, in this video, we will compare Mangools and SE ranking. Mangools is a set of easy-to-use search engine optimization tools for freelancers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, small to medium enterprises, SEO, and marketing agencies. Its key features, like keyword research, competitor analysis, SERP analysis, and others, help extract key data from all tools. Keyword Finder is the primary Mangools tool and the most used. It provides metrics on rankings, search volume, CPC, PPC, keyword difficulty, and more. The Search Engine Results Page Checker tool shows the results that a searcher will see for a particular keyword. Also, it examines how you would rank for the same keyword suggestions. Search Engine Results Page Watcher is a Mangools rank tracking tool. It monitors your search engine results page ranking for the given keywords. This tool provides information on your rank, how the keyword is trending, estimated traffic, search volume, and other performance indexes. Mangools Link Miner tool allows for backlink analysis of your page and your competitors and identification of link building opportunities. It provides site profiler backlink results, pointing to the domain or URL that you enter. Site Profiler provides an SEO profile of a website based on its popularity on Facebook and backlink strength. It offers extra insight, such as the top content of a competitor's website, which can help generate ideas for your site. Mangools offers a free plan forever, and paid plans start at $19 per month. On the other hand, SE Ranking is a reliable SEO platform for solving any SEO task. Accurate data, intuitive dashboards, and hassle-free reporting come at an affordable price. With Rank Tracker, you can get extensive data on your and your client's keyword positions, with pinpoint accuracy across every major search engine. Find out why your pages are not ranking highly, and fix them with the AI-powered on-page SEO checker tool. Assess any website score in a few minutes with a powerful site audit. Harness growth opportunities and share your achievements with clients in a few simple clicks. With a competitor research tool, analyze your and your client's rival websites to gain valuable business insights. Enter any domain name or URL and get a 360-degree view of your competitors' organic and paid promotion strategies. The Backlink Checker tool will help you analyze backlinks of any domain and build a strategy based on that. SE Ranking offers a 14-day free trial with each plan, and paid plans start at $44 per month. If you want to use both Mangools and SE Ranking for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.